All right, CSS battle time. Starting the timer. Okay. Keypad with some missing buttons. So I think I want to make. I don't know why. I think I want to make the body the white part. I'm hopeful that I can just do border radiuses to get kind of the outlines, even though they're different sizes, and then a conic gradient on tables for the background. Let's see if that works. Selecting my body, a border, is going to be uh, solid, and border width going to be 60 pixels, 30 pixels, 30 pixels. And then margin is going to be 20, 50, not on tables. Okay, 25, 60, that looks right. And then border radius 20, looks right. All right, now background. Conic gradient, and it's going to go from white, I don't need that much white, to transparent shorter, and I think it'll work. 90 degrees. And whoops. Not on tables. Little cats don't go on tables. To 0. Okay, that's what I was looking for. Then that's going to be 0, 0, and then I need to size it. What's the size going to be? I have no idea. 50 pixels. 50 pixels. That's not bad for a start. It's not right, but it's not bad. 60. And now I need to play with offsets. I need 20 pixels. 15. And 15 pixels again. 25, 35. Spacing is wrong. Spacing is too much. So 50. There's going to be size and spacing, which is going to be slightly different. How do I resolve that? Should be able to resolve that by changing the offset. What happens if I go back to 0? This part always confuses me. Say at 25% 0 from, not at, no, from is an angle. Okay. 25 is more than I currently want, but that also depends on this. Let's make that 0. Let's take this back to 60. And then let's make this 35, 45, getting closer. Spacing is still too much, so let's go back to 50. That looks pretty close on spacing. What if I say 10 minus 10? 5, 6, 4, 3. That looks pretty good on spacing. Now let's do this. Of course, that changed to this. Alright, that's the right horizontal spacing. The vertical spacing is wrong, so let's change that. Now I need to say at 40%. That's the right spacing. And 50%, 60%. Okay, that's the right pattern. Now I just have to mask the first and last of these. What I think I want to do is I'm just going to add a paragraph, and I'm going to say what? Background red so I can see it. Paragraph. Don't need to close it. Margin 0. Okay, margin 0. 800, 0. 10. Make this 220. What's keeping it wide? Why does it have that size? Oh, it's the borders. Got it. Border width. Just say border 0. Okay. Now it can change its size. I could type a little bit. All right, 200, 0. Has no inherent size now. Wonder if that's good enough. Background, this color, and then box, shadow, 150, 150. A little much, but the right idea. 100. And this color. Let's see if that's a match. All right, that's a match. Background is actually used twice. I can save a couple characters. Or twice more, I guess. Border, not going to help me. Margin's not going to help me. I wonder. So box shadow, let's get a character count. Box shadow's 357. If I just add another paragraph and position it, is that more or less? Okay, right, 357. Let's get rid of that. Add a sibling paragraph selector and just margin it at 100. So 80. Pushing down 0, 0. And I'm pushing down the rest of the stuff. This is going to be like 200. 50 minus 50, 40. That's 369. My other one was 357. I have to have that. Maybe I didn't have that. Maybe 0. Still 367 versus 357. It's 10 more characters to do it. Okay, let's go back to the other way. Oh, no, that's okay. Okay, there we are. Just gonna minify and call it a day. It's been 10 minutes, so that's going to be enough for today. Oops. All right, any other obvious things to get rid of? Some spaces there. I could play games with pixels, but I don't really have time today. I don't need pixels there because that's 0. Can get rid of a character there and a character there. Yeah, that's going to be good. I'm not going to chase pixels today. So let's submit, get our score, which is 6 something, 631. That's going to be it for today, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.